Here in Vallarta, I'm pleased to say that we're a beacon of tolerance and acceptance. And regardless of race or sexual orientation, Vallarta and its people welcome you with open arms. And that's why every year Puerto Vallarta hosts Vallarta Pride. Curious to know what that is? Then stay tuned. Vallarta Pride is now a 7-day event. It's run annually and pays tribute to the LGBT community with arts, cultural events, parades, concerts, films and amazing beach parties. With a whole load of fun, we're here to show the world that we're a place for diversity. It's held every May and aims to commemorate, inspire and celebrate our vibrant community that throughout the years has created its own culture and heritage. Vallarta Pride was created to showcase all the unique elements of our destination that have made Puerto Vallarta an international favourite of the gay community. Some of the main events just have a small donation, but most are non-profit. And once again, this goes to show the world of how accepting we are. From all of this, Vallarta has been recognised as an LGBT MECA, hosting international and national gay visitors. Another highlight of Vallarta Pride has to be the parade. The Pride Parade is highly colourful and super fun, and you won't want to miss out on the great floats and those outrageous outfits the participants wear. If you're part of the LGBT community and thinking of checking out Puerto Vallarta, Elengorn Realtors would like to help you. Come and see for yourself what a community we live in. Elengorn Realtors is an independent real estate company here in Puerto Vallarta. I'm Sarah Elengorn, and thank you so much for watching the Elengorn Review.